nigga. Guess whose pockets on fat, nigga? Military mind that's ahead of my time. We going hard in the street in hot pursuit of the grind. Invading your home with an army of chrome. Kicking down, don't taking whatever we want. You niggas talk about it and we been getting low. I'm on my rock hard shit, bitch, I never been sold. From the bottom to the top, bitch, I made it on my own. Step to the general, get your hood overthrown. We waging war, take it to the streets. Everyone of God's soldiers marching to the beat. Taking over cities and coming for countries. Defeat don't seem to be in my dictionary. Lyrical conquest, got my gun on the armrest. I ain't playing games, this ain't no contest. Off with your head, yeah, your boy got no conscience. Just like an A-rap strapped with a bomb vest. Entered as a guest, watch my talent progress. I walk around like I got an S on my chest. Open your eyes, I'm what it takes to survive. Yeah, you gotta keep it moving if you wanna stay alive. You can pray for my demise to the end of time, cause I'ma get up, get out, and carry on with the grind. Paper chasing nigga and I'm running like an athlete. Flowing so nasty, no one can surpass me. I wish a nigga would try to run up and harass me. Pull out the stick and do your dog so nasty. Never been classy, so don't harass me or ask me about some little tricks past me. I'm beyond real and you a straight pussy. I command big armies like my dog Big Tookie. State of mind, the realest R.I.P. Mr. Williams. Just like him, I'm cold-hearted, no feelings. Robbing, shooting, stealing, yeah, I live by the code. I've been thugging all my life since I was 9 years old. No, this ain't a story, so it can't be told. Success is on the line, so driving down this road. Never giving rides, cause my heart is too cold. Always on the grind, don't bluff, I never fold. I bet you look into my eyes and never see a soul. I bet you think I'm lonely and my heart is black as coal. I'm the realest nigga ever, after this I'll have you sold. So when you see me shining, don't run up in that bowl. I pop my trunk and get the clutching on the wall. 6 foot, 7 foot, 8 foot pole.
Effect beats and design. Hear and see the difference.